This is the first problem from the book Hall and Knight Higher Algebra. This is from the chapters ratio. Uh, Before we solve this problem, I want you to look at these definitions. What we have to do is we have to find the compounded ratio of 2a is to 3b and duplicate of 9b square is to ab. So how do we define a compounded ratio? Suppose we have two ratios, a is to b, and we have another ratio, c is to d. So compound ratio is found by actually multiplying these two individual ratios. So compound ratio of a is to b and c is to d would be a by b times c by d, and the ratio will be ac is to bd. Similarly, what is a duplicate of a ratio? Duplicate of a ratio is when you multiply that ratio by itself. So what you will get is a square by b square. Triplicate of a ratio similarly is a cube by b cube. Subduplicate is a to the power half divided by b to the power half. Subtriplicate of a ratio is a to the power 1 by 3 divided by b to the power 1 by 3, and so on. So in the first problem, what we have to do is we have to find the compounded ratio of 2a is to 3b and duplicate ratio of 9b square is to ab. So first we find duplicate of 9b square is to ab. So what we have to do, we have to simply multiply this ratio by itself. And what we get is this b and this b cancels out one of the p squares, and we get 9 times 9 is 81, b square divided by a square. So we have the duplicate of this ratio. Now we have to compound this ratio. We have to compound this ratio over here with 2a is to 3b. So compounded ratio of 2a divided by 3b, and we have to simply multiply this by 81b square divided by a square. So this b cancels out one of the powers here, this a cancels out one of the powers here. 3 times 27 is 81. So what we get is 27 times 2 is 54. We have one b here divided by, we have one a here. So this is the compounded ratio of 2a is to 3b and the duplicate ratio of 9b square is to ab.